So Adam, today we're located just outside of Sutton on the beautiful shores of Lake Simcoe, and we have an exceptional property for anybody looking for a project.
That's right, Jules. There's a tremendous opportunity here for the right buyer. We have an exceptional location. What better backdrop can you ask for than the shores of Lake Simcoe? And the property that we're about to showcase is just steps from it. If you are a renovator or possibly a builder, this is a great opportunity for you. Or if you're just looking to build the perfect little cottage or maybe an Airbnb, this one could certainly be that as well. Guys, let's get inside and have a look at our newest listing. This is 117 Maple Avenue. As we mentioned outside, the theme of this home is certainly the endless possibilities, and you notice that from the moment you walk inside. Inside, you're going to find nearly 1,000 square feet of living space, which, if refinished properly, could be absolutely spectacular. You have large principal rooms, 2 bedrooms, 1 bathroom, an open kitchen. As well, you have a ton of natural light coming in through windows on all sides.
So Adam, just to recap, we have almost 1,000 square feet of living space just waiting for you to work your magic on a 50 by 130 lot. So if renovating isn't your thing, perhaps you want to rebuild. And the location, it couldn't be better, located steps from the water.
That's right, Jules. We have a truly exceptional opportunity here for the right folks. And there's a couple of nice extras as well. You have a newer roof on the property, a newer gas furnace as well. There's tons of potential here, guys. We are the Knowles Woolsey team. We are video marketing experts. For more information on this listing and others, check out our website.